16 ounces frozen blueberries. Coming in with my cooked Jimmy Dean maple sausage. We're just gonna distribute that throughout. Perfect. Coming in with some real maple syrup from Canada. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna move this aside for 1 minute. All right, I've got my measuring cup here, and I am going to grab 2.5 cups of whole vitamin D milk. Perfect. Now I'm just adding in 1, 2, 3 eggs. Oops, got it, no problem. All right, we'll just whisk these together. You know what they say, no whisk, no reward. Perfect. To this, I'm adding in a whole box of Bisquick. So it was 2.5 times what you would normally make for Bisquick. So that's why I had more liquid. I almost forgot my oil, y'all. All right, I'm gonna do 5 tablespoons of this. And since some of these are overflowing a little bit, I'll make the last one kind of light. Perfect. Alrighty, we're just gonna give this a good mix. We want it to be nice and fluffy here. We are making a super easy breakfast dish today. I think y'all are all gonna love this. I'm a fan of protein for breakfast, like the sausage we put in there, but I also really, really love something sweet. And sometimes when I eat pancakes, it just spikes my blood sugar. So I thought adding some protein in there would be the perfect combination. Alrighty, we're gonna bring back in our Bundt pan here, and I'm just gonna add all of this delicious, delicious batter all into this. Mmm. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more maple syrup on here. Yum! Look, it looks like a flower, Marty.
Such an artist.
Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna pop this in my oven at 350. We're gonna bake this up for about 30 minutes. Alrighty, everybody. Our pancake baked breakfast is ready. Look at that, gorgeous. I'm just gonna pop a plate on top here, and I'm gonna give this a flip. Alrighty, look at that gorgeousness. Oh my gosh, with those blueberries mixed with our delicious breakfast sausage, the heartiness of those pancakes. I think this is gonna be really, really good, everybody.
Looks like a big blueberry donut.
Yeah, it looks like a big blueberry donut, and it has protein in it. All right, I'm gonna put like just a little bit of powdered sugar here and get it into my little sifter. All right, it's kind of melting into the donut, but we know it's there. Beautiful. All right, y'all, we're putting just a dash of icing on here to complete that blueberry donut look. This was Marty's suggestion, and I think it's a great one. It's super beautiful. I love it. Oh my gosh, I cannot think of a better breakfast. Wow. All right, let's cut down inside and see what we got. Look at that. Blueberry topping, protein, pancake, all in one. Wow. Y'all, I cannot wait to get a bite of this. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Ah. This has everything in it. It has the sausage, the blueberries, the pancakes. I love the sweet and savory combination. This is delicious, y'all. You gotta try it.